Question 5. Kamal and Anand each lent the same sum of money for 2 years at 5% simple interest and compound interest respectively. Anand received rupees 15 more than Kamal. Find the amount of money lent by each and the interest received. So here we are going to find out the compound interest and simple interest and the difference. So we are going to use two formulas here. Simple interest PNR by 100, compound interest P into 1 plus R by 100 power n minus P. Kamal is giving simple interest. So for Kamal, simple interest PNR by 100. We can take principal as x. Number of years 2. Rate of interest 5%. So simple interest equal to x into 2 into 5 by 100. X into 10 by 100. X by 10. For Anand, it's a compound interest. The principal, rate of interest, years all are same. So we are going to use the formula of compound interest. It's Px into 1 plus R 5 by 100 power 2 years minus principal x equal to x into, so we can take LCM here, so it's 105 by 100 power 2 minus x. We can take x out, x into 21 by 20 power 2 minus 1, x into 21 into 21 by 20 into 20 minus 1. Then multiply x into 21 into 21 is a 441 by 20 into 20 400 minus 1. So we can take here LCM is 400. So it's a 441 minus 400 equal to 41 by 400. Given condition, compound interest minus simple interest equal to 15. So we have compound interest 41 by 400 x minus simple interest x by 10 equal to 15. So here also we can take LCM 400, 41x minus 40, so 40x equal to 15. X into 41 minus 40 by 400 equal to 15. So x by 400 equal to 15, x equal to 15 into 400 equal to 6000. X equal to P. So the sum is 6000. Now we need to find the interest. So we can take simple interest. So simple interest equal to P 6000 into N 2 years into rate of interest 5 by 100. You can cut. So 60 into 10 equal to 600 is the interest, simple interest. So now compound interest. Already the given is a 15 more than the simple interest. So 600 plus 15 equal to 615. Sixth question. Simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 4% is rupees 450. Find the compound interest on the same sum and at the same rate for 2 years. So here we can take principal P equal to X, N equal to 2 years, rate R equal to 4% and simple interest given us rupees 450. So we are applying the simple interest formula. Simple interest equal to PNR by 100. So simple interest to 450 equal to principal X into 2 into 4 by 100. We can take this. So now 2x equal to 450 into 25. X equal to 450 into 25 by 2. X equal to 225 into 25. 225 into 25 equal to 5625. So X principal equal to rupees 5625. So this is the principal. Now for compound interest, we already identified the principal equal to rupees 5625, year equal to 2 years, rate of interest equal to again 4%. So now compound interest, we are applying the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 power n minus P. So we have 5625 into 1 plus 4 by 100 power 2 minus 5625. 5625 we can take outside. So 1 plus 4 by 100 power 2 minus 1 equal to 5625 into LCM 100. So 104 by 100 power 2 minus 1. So equal to 5625 into 26 by 25 square minus 1. So we are multiplying 26 into 26 equal to 676 and 25 to 25 625. So now coming here 5625 into, so this becomes 676 by 625 minus 1. So we can take LCM as 625. So 676 minus 625 equal to into 676 minus 625 equal to 51 by 625. Now is simple calculation. So we are dividing by 25 first, again by 25. So now we got 9 into 51 equal to 459. So simple interest equal to rupees 459.